All right, you guys. So today we are going to be playing in the vintage Dawn Ace Beauty palette. I don't know what I'm doing. Oops, my camera's over here. I don't know what I'm doing, but just come along with me and we'll get to it. Hi, my name is Amanda, and if you are a mom and you like makeup, make sure you hit that subscribe button because that is what I am and I like. So, if you hear background noise, I do have 3 kids and 4 dogs. I don't know. This is a process. My camera died or it wasn't charging all night. I don't know what happened. So I'm on my phone again. So hopefully this turns out. We'll see in editing. So let's go into the look. All right, so as you can see, I already have my complexion on, and the reason being is because I have not filmed a video for this week yet. So this video you're seeing, I'm doing on Friday, and I'm hoping to get it out tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So to save me time on editing, I already applied my face. So we're just gonna do the eyes and the lips today. So let's get to it. I've already said that, but let's get to it again. All right, so here is the Ace Beauty palette. I got this, I think, in BoxyCharm. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we'll do yellow since I've never done yellow. Did I do yellow? Not on my channel. I think I might have done a yellow look, but let's try to play. Let's try to play with some yellow today. See if I can make that work. That would be fun, right? Yes, maybe. It's a little scary, but let's go. Everything in this palette looks so super pigmented, so I don't know what to use for my crease. I think I'm gonna use, I guess I'll just try this orangey color right here. And this is a Royal and Langnickel Moda M16. Got it in BoxyCharm. Most of my brushes came in BoxyCharm. Most of my makeup comes from BoxyCharm because it's cheap and inexpensive. Ace Beauty, I've only, like I said, I've only gotten in BoxyCharm. They're pretty pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. So remember, you just build as you're going. So I'm just gonna go back and forth. I'm kind of just blending as I go along, which I typically never do. I usually just kind of place my product on. It looks like craft. This color reminds me of the cheese dust from Kraft. It's like I'm rubbing Kraft cheese on my face, but it's like in the good way. Bought a cheap little ring light off of Amazon, so I'm hoping that the lighting, yeah, it lights up my face over here. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Coffee break. Cheers. All right, I'm gonna use this Stain Neutral eyeliner as a base. I've not done this before, but I kind of want the color to show up since I'm using a yellow. I saw Bailey Sarian do this. She does this all the time when she does her makeup. She'll put down a base for whatever color she's using. I don't have a yellow eyeliner, so this is what we got going on. I'm gonna just blend this out with my finger. These pencils dry down and they won't move, so you gotta make sure you only do one eye at a time here. I don't want it to be patchy. So if it's patchy, it might be my fault, but we'll get through it. All right, you guys, this blue, I really love this blue. Oh, I just realized they have names. Sorry, look, you guys, I have a window over here. Just ignore this, okay? I really like this blue. This blue, it's called Sky. I really want to use it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put that in the outer corner, and I'm gonna put this yellow called Daybreak up here. Let's try it. I'm taking this brush, it's from Vasanti. It's eyeshadow 2, BoxyCharm brush. Again, if you don't do BoxyCharm, you probably should. If you're a beginner, it's a good way to build up your makeup stash. Whoa, I don't have that stuff on this eye, so. I did just buy me some eyeshadow base. What'd you make?
That's my head, that's my arm, and this is me wearing long sleeve. And this is
Those are long sleeve pants?
Yes, and this is me wearing the button-up shoes.
Yeah, you like button-up shirts, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, bud.
Thanks. And that's for the end.
The end.
No.
Bye. Bye. I'm gonna just take this all the way over to like this outer third, what is this called? This brown part, the iris. I'm gonna take it to the iris, like the outside of my iris. Oh yeah, all the stuff that I'm wearing like on my face pretty much is all this. Actually no, I tried something else out. I tried this. But everything I'm wearing, I'll list it down below if you are interested. Alright, so I wouldn't recommend using the Stay Neutral as a base. It did not, I don't know, my eyes are probably just dry. It didn't blend out too well. I took this over too far. Alright, with this like dome-shaped brush, this one is from Because. I'm gonna take that shade Sky right here. We're gonna I like to just place my shadows first. And I'm kind of placing that on my outer third up to my crease, and then I'll blend it in. All right, with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend everything together. I think I went up too far with blue right here. I'll make it work. I'll figure it out, you guys. It's all just a blending game now. I'm about to make it all look muddy. Going back and forth right here. Kind of blend these two together, like wiggling. All right, so try my best. We are going to go, I want to use this sunshade where I put that yellow. So I think I'm just going to use my finger, put that on, because I always feel like shimmers just go on better. Dab it right at that line where the blue and the yellow come together. All right, I'm going to just put a little bit of eyeliner. I'm using the doe color one. Is it doe color? Dew color? I don't really know.
Here is Hansel. He's a superhero. And here is the central pool.
That one was drying out, so I'm going to use this Go-To eye marker. I don't even know where I got this. I don't remember. Oh, this one's working better anyway. Now I'm just taking the Because black pencil eyeliner into my waterline, and I'm kind of wiggling it back and forth into my lashes so that way there's no, you can't see my skin. Thinking I'm gonna do, I don't know what we're doing. I don't plan these things. I just come, I show up, and I just do. Okay, I've decided we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna do the Chestnut Charm brown eyeliner in my waterline. I think I'm gonna do probably this and this on my lash line. So I'm gonna take this Chestnut Charm, and you wanna do this in steps because this stuff dries down, and when it dries, it doesn't move. Going back in here with this, this doesn't have to be super perfect. You're just gonna smudge this out anyway. All right, so it's kind of on there sloppily. I picked up the shade Pyramid on a detailed brush. Kind of place it on top, kind of smoke it out a little bit. Now that I got that kind of blended out, I'm going to take, this is a Royal Langnickel Moda Pro detailed brush. It's kind of like a little pencil brush. I take it into the shade Fade just a little bit, just at the little tip here. And we're going to smudge this out. I hate when I do that face. I try not to, but how can you not? Ooh, I blended it down too far. Too far, Amanda. I'm going in with this brush. It is a BH Cosmetics brush. I got this in a pack. I'm taking this Blissful highlighter from Shadows by Boss, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. I'm working on figuring out what kind of brush I need. It doesn't, my inner corner never wants to stay. I think I'm doing it, you guys. All right, we're gonna take that same Blissful highlight, and we'll just go ahead and pop it right on here at my brow bone. All right, the mascara I'm going to use today is Maybelline, the Rocket Volume Express Mascara. Ooh, the words are so tiny. What does this say? Wow, can anybody even read that? I don't know if it has a shape. It's black. I can't read the tiny little letters. I really need to get my eyes rechecked. I need to get a new eye exam, my glasses. All right, so I just went ahead and put on my lashes. I'm just having, like, this eye just is so... I am using the lashes from, I want to say, Lashes Frills on the Glow on Facebook. And my friend Deborah Carver, she actually surprised me and sent me a couple of different lashes. And so I'm going to use these. I'm not going to, I already did. I put them on. And it was a time. It took me a minute. We're gonna go on with lips and we will be done. Woo-woo. All right, so I'm taking the lip pencil by Bodyography in the shade Rosewood. Oops. And we're just gonna, while I was applying my lashes, I don't know where it went, but while I was applying my lashes, I put on this like lip plumper stuff to try to make myself look like I have bigger lips, but I don't know if it really works. Let me try an ombre thing. Now taking this Dose of Colors lipstick, got a BoxyCharm right here in the middle. I'm not sure if these are the two combinations that are good together, but we're going with it. All right, I'm just gonna take this clear gloss from Shadows by Boss and kind of place it in the middle. When you put gloss just in the center of your lip, it does give you the effect that you have bigger lips. So if you have itty bitty lips and you want to have a make it look like you have bigger ones, just put lip gloss right in the center. That's it. I don't know if you guys can hear the construction that's going on. I don't know what our neighbors are doing. I don't know if they're moving out or if they're just remodeling. I don't know what they're doing, but if you can hear that, I'm sorry. But anyway, you guys, this is the finished look. Hopefully this is not going to be long. I feel like it took me forever. If you like this look, let me know by liking, comment below any other looks that you want to do. My video for next week, I'm hoping I can get to my Pride look. If you saw my Instagram, I posted a picture of like the rainbow mask and it's like I'm all gray. I wanted to do that this week, but did not have time. I will hopefully have that up for you guys next week. This is what we came up with today. Yellow, blue look from the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. Be nice, be kind, and have a wonderful day. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.